Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of figs? Well, today we're going to talk about it. Now, I'm sitting here in my backyard, and if you can kind of see right there, that is my fig tree. So let's look at what are the health benefits of figs. The first one is, okay, you know that my teaching point is you've got to have fiber in your diet. When you have fiber, you feel amazing, everything works, right? When you don't have fiber, it's just like a clogged pipe. Nothing works. So figs have a lot of fiber in them. Now, it actually, because it has such a high bulk of fiber, it's going to help balance your blood sugars. It's going to help you feel more satisfied. You could eat, those 100-calorie cookie packs or snack packs, You ever eaten one of those? And you're just like, well, that didn't feel like very much. I'm still hungry. But if you ate 1 or 2 figs, your body would say, whoo, we're feeling good. You're satisfied. That's the way God's foods work. Figs have a perfect balance of potassium and calcium. Okay, you need this for your bones. In fact, figs are the perfect food for children to help build strong bones while they're growing. Figs are the perfect food for women who are pregnant because sometimes the babies will leach the calcium from your bones and from your teeth so that the baby gets what it needs. Well, that's God's design, but yet God's thinking, well, of course you're smart enough to know to eat my foods to replenish that calcium and potassium. And sometimes instead, women who are pregnant are eating junk food and they're not getting replenished. Next thing you know, they've got a mouthful of cavities, their bones are breaking, all because of a pregnancy. Okay, well, let's just fix it and have some figs. Every day in your diet is going to build strong bones. You only need 1 fig a day to just have a very healthy structural skeletal system. So if you've got osteopenia, if you've got osteoporosis, you need to add some figs into your diet. If you got children that are growing up or grandchildren, then feed them some figs so that they can get the calcium and the potassium they need to build healthy bones. The calcium in figs will actually help balance the low estrogen levels and bring that up to normal. And then a lot of women who are doing a lot of excessive workouts are having amenorrhea, which absence of their cycles. And so when you eat figs every day, it helps to bring things back into balance. Balance out the estrogen level, bring your cycles back into the state that they should be in, like it or not. That's not a topic for today. And so this is just really important. I already mentioned that it helps prevent bone loss. So this calcium is not only important to protect your bones, and when you're a high intensity workout person, bones can have a lot of strain on them. But if you're not consuming good calcium in God's foods, then you can have issues. So high intensity female athletes really need to consider eating figs.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
Another one is iron. And this is the perfect food for pregnancy. Every woman who's pregnant needs to be eating at least 1 fig a day. Anemia in pregnancy is very prevalent just because of our diet, because of a lot of things that we eat that kind of block the absorption of iron. And if you're taking a prenatal that has iron and you're constipated, that's the wrong type of iron. It doesn't get absorbed, it's just a waste. So make sure you're on a good prenatal that has the right iron in it. Now, but then eat figs. That's going to give you the correct iron balance that your body can actually take in and do well with. And then lastly, B vitamins. B as in boy or B as in be happy. When we have the right balance of B vitamins, our day is just a blessing. That's what it is. B stands for blessing or blessed day. All right, so figs help us get that right balance of B vitamins. B vitamins, when you have an adequate supply, help you to have a good memory and less stress. And so this is just what I want to share with you, the health benefits of figs. And so it's just a lot that God has to teach us about the foods that He's given us. Always, God's foods bring us to balance. man's chemicals, synthetics, stimulants can take us out of balance, which is why we have to keep going in for doctor visits to see, well, is it working? Is it not? Well, God's foods know how to work without taking us out of balance. I'm Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist. I'm on mission to keep you on mission. That means as I help you to cook healthier, as I help you to understand your health, understand your body, you'll understand how much God loves you. And that means your future is going to be blessed, as we just learned. Thank you for joining me. Hey, take a second, just give me a thumbs up. Write some questions down below. We'll address those in some other videos. And I look forward to reading your comments so that we can engage in some conversation and really get to know each other better. Thank you again for watching.
Struggling with cravings, fatigue, or confusion about your health? You're not alone. But you don't have to stay stuck. Get the free Bible Health ebook and discover 7 powerful steps to real, lasting transformation God's way. Break emotional eating. Learn what truly satisfies. Align your health with God's truth. This is your breakthrough. Get your free Bible Health ebook now on the website, thebiblicalnutritionist.com. It's time to take the first step toward vibrant health, both physically and spiritually.
Are you ready to have more fun in life and not be plagued with sickness and tiredness? At the Reclaim Retreat, we see transformations happen as soon as you arrive at this anointed place, a sacred space where God is at work and you can truly rest in His presence. Join a community of like-minded individuals ready to reclaim their health, their joy, and their God-given purpose. Come be refreshed, be renewed, be transformed. Spots are limited. Save yours today. Register now at biblicalwellnessretreat.com and reclaim what God has already promised you.